Hello student, today we will doing question and answer of chapter 2 nutrition in animal. So the first question is what is digestion? Student, we learn in a chapter that our body is not able to utilize complex substance directly. So digestion is a process that breakdown of complex compound of food into simpler substance. Here you see in this picture that complex substance starch converted into the simpler substance and then it used by our body. Okay, so what is digestion? The breakdown of complex compound of food into simpler substance is called digestion. The second question, how the human digestive system consists? The human digestive system consists of alimentary canal and secretory gland. What are these secretory gland? Salivary gland, liver and pancreas. Okay, and digestive system is consist of buccal cavity. Here you see, then esophagus, then stomach, then small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Okay, the digestive system consists of buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus and secretory glands which are salivary gland, liver and pancreas. The next question, third one is what is ingestion? Student, we read in a chapter that the first process of digestion is ingestion. The process of taking food into the body is called ingestion. Question number 4. Explain different type of teeth in humans. There are 4 type of teeth in humans. We read that 4 type of teeth in human is incisor, canine, premolar and molar. In this picture you see incisor, canine, premolar and molar. What is the function of incisor? Cutting and biting and biting. And canine, pressing and tearing. Premolar and molar, the work of premolar and molar is chewing and grinding. Sometimes the question is, what is the work of incisor? Cutting and biting. And sometimes the question is, what is which teeth are doing the function of cutting and biting? Then you say incisor. Question number 5. What are villi? What is their location and function? Villi are the finger-like projection or outgrowth. They are present in a small intestine of our digestive system. Actually, student, villi increase the surface area for absorption. Okay, so where the villi are present? They are present in a small intestine and they are finger-like projection. Question number 6. Where is the bile produced? Which component of food does it help to digest? Bile juice is produced in the liver. Okay, and it helps in a digestion of fat by breaking large fat globules into simpler one. Student, always remember, this is very important question, that where the bile juice is produced. Bile juice is produced in the liver and it is stored in a gallbladder. Bile juice released in a liver and it is stored in a gallbladder, and the function of bile juice is digestion of fats digestion. Okay, the next one is question number 7. Name the type of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminant but not by the human. Give the reason also. Cellulose, always remember that cellulose is a carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminant but not by the human beings, because the cellulose of the food digested by the action of certain type of bacteria which are not present in human. but these bacteria are present in ruminant. Question number 8. Why do we get instant energy for glucose? We get instant energy from glucose because in the cell glucose breaks down with the help of oxygen into carbon dioxide and water, and energy is released. Student, in a respiration process we take oxygen and release carbon dioxide. So in presence of oxygen, glucose breaks down into carbon dioxide and water and energy is released. So we get instant energy from glucose. Question number 9. Write one similarity and one difference between nutrition in amoeba and human beings. Firstly, you write similarity. What is similarity? The amoeba and human beings both secreted digestive juice to convert complex substance into simpler substance. You know that amoeba have a food vacuoles. Okay, so in the food vacuoles, when the food is there, it secreted digestive juice. And in human beings, in a stomach and a small intestine, digestive juice is secreted who digest the food. That means complex component converted into simple one. So in amoeba and human both secrete the digestive juice to convert complex substance into simpler substance. And what is the difference? Human intake food through buccal cavity and amoeba food take by pseudopodia. Okay. The next one and the last question is explain the process of rumination. Actually, student, grass eating animal quickly swallow the grass and store in a separate part of the stomach called rumen. Okay, we know that ruminant have four part of stomach. Okay, so first part is rumen. So grass eating animal quickly swallow the grass and store it in a separate part of the stomach which we call rumen. Here the food is partially digested, that means half digest, and it called cud. Later the cud return to the mouth in a small lumps and the animal chewing it. And this process is called rumination and these animals are called ruminant. So if the question is what is ruminant, then you give this answer, and if the question what is the process of rumination, then also you have to write this answer. I hope you understand. This is all for today. Thank you.